In an old house in Paris that was covered with vines
Come on, girls, let's go.
lived 12 little girls in 2 straight lines. They left the house at 9:30, and the smallest one was...
Madeline!
It's a mouse! I'm not afraid of mice.
The world's most courageous redhead
I think we'll have to take out her appendix.
is coming to the big screen.
Was it scary? They cut a 3-inch hole in me.
But her life is becoming complicated.
I'm closing the school down.
But the girls.
We'll find another school to attend.
I'm staying right here. Don't get any ideas, Madeline.
Now, with the help of a special friend,
Peter! This boy's got charisma.
she'll prove the bigger the problem,
We're dead meat.
But we're vegetarians.
the smaller the solution.
Faster, faster!
Hey, you want to drive or what?
What's going on here?
Madeline!
TriStar Pictures presents
Let's have fun.
Academy Award winner Frances McDormand,
You're giving me gray hair.
Can I see?
Academy Award nominee Nigel Hawthorne,
Hello, little cuckoo face.
What did you call me?
and introducing Hattie Jones as
Wait, Hat, wait!
Madeline.